Hello everyone, welcome back to our toppings. Today we will make healthy ladoo without sugar and ghee. Have a look at the ingredients first. The ingredients we are using are rich in protein, fiber, nutrients, omega-3, vitamin and minerals. Now I am dry roasting oats, flax seeds, almonds, peanuts and desiccated coconut one by one. Let's grind the roasted ingredients with dates, jaggery and cardamom powder. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Give it a quick mix with the help of your hand to remove any lumps. Now take small portions and start giving it a ladoo shape. Now it is easy to make ladoo if the mixture is a bit hot. To serve, you can garnish it with coconut and almonds like I did. I hope you like my recipe. Do try it and give me your feedback. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.